channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like honest, open reviews on natural hair products, make sure you subscribe to this channel because that's what I'm going to give you. So today we are reviewing the May Curlbox. Here we have it. Let me just say this. Now, the last couple curl boxes, I was like, they acting like they just going to Walmart, like, let's just pick some stuff and put it in the box. Because that April box with the 2 curl refreshers, the 2 leave-ins, like, what? But this one is a little better. Now, this one is from Aunt Jackie's, and it is from different parts of her line and her brand, but at least it's just one brand. Because that 2 brands in one box last time, I was like, what are we doing, Curlbox? So this is the card we got in the curl box for May. And it shows the products that came in the box from Aunt Jackie's. And then we also got this cute little pamphlet that shows all of the Aunt Jackie's collections, which I thought was cute. And I noticed that the Butter Fusions deep conditioners were on there, and I have not seen those anywhere yet as far as me being able to purchase them. So if you guys have, let me know, because I've been wanting to try them. It's 5 of them, and I want to try them. So y'all let me know if those came out yet, if they dropped, and where I can get them from. Let's get into the products that we have. First of all, we got this cute satin scarf. How cute is that? Now, you know you can't never have enough satin scarves and bonnets and all of that because you need to keep your hair protected when you are sleeping. Or you need to have them, you know, for cute little outfits and stuff, and it's still satin so them edges and the rest of your hair don't break off. So I did appreciate that. So first we're going to start off with this co-wash, which is their conditioning, coconut milk conditioning cleanser. We're going to get into that. Then we're going to get into the Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask. And these products say they are sulfate-free, paraben-free, no mineral oil, and no petroleum. Then they have this Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner Quench. I've seen this. Quite a few people like this. And then they also have this Buttercream Moisture Intensive Moisture Sealant. And this is also saying that this is a leave-in as well, but this is a lot thicker. And then they have the Slicked Flexible Styling Glue. So this is looking more like maybe like an edge control. Yeah, this is definitely like an edge control. So there's really no styler in here. We've got like a lighter weight consistency leave-in and a thicker leave. So I had to figure out what styler to use, and I definitely want to stay in the Aunt Jackie's family. So the 2 Aunt Jackie stylers that I have is the Frizz Patrol Mousse and the Ice Curls. And I've heard great things about both of them. So I'm not sure which one I want to use, how I want to do my hair yet, one or the other, both, we'll see. So let's get this wash day started. I'm going to jump in the shower so we can get started with this co-wash. Okay, y'all, so right here I'm rinsing out my Aztec clay mask. The clay mask I used in my last video reminded me that I needed to do this mask because I hadn't done it in a couple of months. And I got quite a bit of thumbs down. I think people thought I was hating on the clay mask, but I just didn't like the clay mask. And I said in the video that my Aztec clay mask moisturizes my hair better and has my curls popping way better than that one. And so I said, well, let me do my Aztec clay mask just to show the girls that my curls look way better, and you can definitely compare them from video to video, but the curls are defined and moisturized, and that's just on period. So now we're going in with the Aunt Jackie's Coco Wash Conditioning Cleanser, and it says it has coconut milk and apple cider vinegar. Now that's what I get for not reading. If I would have saw the apple cider vinegar, then I would have known that this is a clarifying shampoo. So it distributed through the hair pretty cool. It didn't feel drying, you know, while you were shampooing your hair. It was smelling really good and cocoa-like, so I did like that about it. But when I rinsed it out, I could definitely tell it was a clarifying shampoo. My hair was squeaky clean. So right then, I knew that it wasn't a co-wash. It was a shampoo, and not only a shampoo, a clarifying one. So I wanted y'all to see my hair after I rinsed out the shampoo. And it was like a little more frizzy like. So I kind of knew, yeah, that's definitely a clarifying shampoo. Definitely squeaky clean type hair. So now we're going in with the Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask. And this has like a really lightweight, creamy consistency. It wasn't thick at all. And it says it's enriched with flaxseed, mango butter, shea butter, avocado, and coconut oil. And it's for dry, damaged hair and protective styling. It's smooth on the hair pretty good. It definitely softened my hair right away and definitely put some moisture back into my hair after the clarifying shampoo. It had a decent amount of slip. I didn't try to finger detangle with it or anything, but it did have a decent amount of slip and distributed through my hair really easily. So this is what my hair was looking like with the deep conditioner distributed all through it, through on my good old plastic bag. Then it was time to handle some lady maintenance while I let that marinate and do its magic. So right here, I'm ready to rinse out my deep conditioner. My hair did feel really soft after I rinsed that out. Like, this just brought life back to my curls after that shampoo. So I really did enjoy this deep conditioner. So these are my curls after the deep conditioner, and it definitely brought some life back to my hair. Like, it was softer and more moisturized. So my curls was definitely appreciating it because that shampoo was clarifying. So we're going in with the Quench Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner, and this stuff was watery, honey. I was like, this could have been in a spray bottle. It was so thin. I never used one this thin in a bottle. So I was like, what is this? It's just disappearing. I started pouring it in my hair. Like, I didn't know what was going on with that. But once I was working it through all my sections, I realized how much slip it had, and it was so good for finger detangling. So I was like, okay, I can get with this. I can definitely use this as a good leave-in to detangle with. So I just twisted up my hair, threw it on another plastic bag, cleaned my body, and I was out. We are back. We are clean. We are moisturized. Let's get into this hairdo, honey. That was a pretty lightweight leave-in. So I definitely am glad that the buttercream leave-in is in the box so that these type 4 curls can get a little bit more moisture. I decided that I definitely want to use the buttercream as my base, you know, thicker leave-in, and then I want to use this ice curls because I hear and see so many good things about this, and I want to try this. But I will use this in another video, and I think I'm going to use it with this, and I'll tell you guys why later. So let's get into it. My hair is like feeling really juicy, like really juicy. So I do like that. I do like that. Wow. I like it. So let's get started back here. I am going to take this buttercream. Now this buttercream is still super kind of creamy and lightweight. It's not like really thick at all. However, it's like thicker than the Quenched. And it does say that it's an intensive moisture sealant. So I definitely want to put this on my hair to give me an extra boost of moisture because I'm getting ready to use a gel. And we don't want dry hair. Like, we just don't want that at all. Make sure it's all through there. My hair is so juicy from that Quenched. Like, it's just got product just running off of it. Which is good because I feel like my hair is going to be nice and defined and I won't need to add too much water. But let's see how this ice curls feels on these curls. I'm going to take about that much gel and run it through. Ooh, it feels good like a wet line. Oh, girl, because y'all know how I feel about my wet line. It's really easy to glide through for shingling, and that's probably because of that Quenched, because that is so slippery. But it's definitely making shingling a lot easier. It feels good though so far. Yeah, y'all, applying the gel, I'm liking it, like, cause It feels like my blue wet line. Feels like I'm gonna get some good hold and some good definition. So let's hope that I ain't talking out the side of my neck and be salty AF at the end of this video, because y'all know how I get if it ain't right. But I got high hopes for this. I'm feeling kind of positive. All right, y'all. Hopefully y'all can see that. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it all through my hair, and we'll be back when it's dry.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now. Let's begin now.
Okay, sweet babies, I am back, and this is our wash and go. Check her out. I like her. I definitely had to stretch her out because, honey, the shrinkage was real. So let's get into these products, and I'll let you know what I think about them and how they did on my hair. So let's start off with the Coco Wash Coconut Conditioning Cleanser. This, ma'am, is not a co-wash. I definitely thought that it was, so that was my bad. This is not a co-wash. This is a shampoo, and it's clarifying. It's not moisturizing. When you have it in your hair, it feels decent. It doesn't feel like super drying. You are able to distribute it through your hair pretty easily. It smells good, but this is not a moisturizing shampoo for me. It felt like a clarifying shampoo. That's not a bad thing. A lot of us like clarifying shampoos, need clarifying shampoos. A lot of us like that squeaky clean. So if that's what you like a squeaky clean, or you're looking for a decent clarifying shampoo, this wasn't bad. I personally wouldn't repurchase it because I have other clarifying shampoos that I like, but this wasn't bad. It's like it did what it's supposed to do, but the name definitely threw me off because I thought it was co-wash. It's not. So then I went in with the Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask, and this definitely came in clutch and gave me some softness back in my hair and some moisture back in my hair. So I was happy to use this. I'm glad it's 15 ounces, so your girl can get at least 2 uses out of it, okay? Because you know how I'm heavy-handed or whatever, but I like this. I would actually pick it up again. So this was a nice deep conditioner, especially if you're using a clarifying shampoo. So then we went in with the Quench. Girl, I was like, what in the water is going on? But this I enjoyed because it did have really nice slip for detangling. So I can definitely see me like using this again to detangle my hair. If I was to use it again as a leave-in, it would be under a lightweight style, like a rod set or some Bantu knots or something like that. You know, that when you need a leave-in that's lightweight, then this. But I once I realized what I could use it for and why I liked it, it was cool with me. I don't know if I will repurchase it, but I definitely could see me finish it to detangle my hair, to pre-poo my hair, or like I said, for those lightweight styles. For my type 3 girls, you probably will really enjoy this as a leave-in because it's super duper lightweight with great slip. So I mean, try it. I would say try it. Then we had the buttercream. Now, y'all, with the buttercream, I thought it was about to be super thick, you know, because it's buttercream. No, it was actually pretty lightweight. And I was glad that I used this on top of the Quench because it did give me more moisture that I needed because the gel is really strong. So this is pretty lightweight, a light creamy consistency, not a thick butter like I thought it was going to be. So it did well since I had to use the Quench and then this and then the gel. No flakes, hair is soft, definitely got some movement popping, we got action. So I'm not mad at this. I would definitely finish it. Not sure if I would repurchase yet. I have to use it a little bit more, but it wasn't bad. The Ice Curls. I like this gel. I got a nice hold, which I had to break the cast, so it did give me some crunch, which I like. I had to break the cast once I was stretching my hair out. And now my hair is soft. It broke super easy and right away. It gave me shine, gave me definition. Like, I feel like my hair is going to last. So I wasn't mad at this at all. So I see why people really enjoy this. I also use this to slick up my little pony. And my hair is hard. I also put this on the pony as well, so maybe that might be why it's super hard, but this did give me a nice crunch if you're a girl that likes a crunch on your wash and go. So I will continue to use this. I may even repurchase. And then last, we use this. I can't speak to the longevity of how it's going to perform on my edges because I kind of just did them. But, my hair is definitely trying to curl back up over here, so this is like the consistency of gel and edge control, but it's more on the gel side kind of. So this is one you want to put it on, do your edges, tie your hair down, do your makeup or whatever else you got to do, because it's like that thinner consistency to where your hair will start to curl back up. But like I said, where I put this, my hair is hard right there, so this let me know that if I want to do a bun or a puff or a slick back pony or anything like that, I can add this to my gel and this will give me a nice hold. So this was decent. Not sure if I would repurchase it, but I would probably continue to use it. So y'all, that's my review. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.